Hello everyone, I am Hemant and welcome to our second year mini project that is LearnWit. It comes under the Sustainable Development Goal of Quality Education. This project has been built under the valuable guidance of our mentor Ms. Manisha Mathur ma'am. We belong to group 41 and mentioned here are our group members. Now moving straight to the website, let's begin with the video. So here comes the landing page of our website. As here you can see the logo and the name of the website at the top, various buttons, image at the right side and an interactive text at the left side. So let us start the procedure by signing up. Here it opens the sign up page. Now in this page, firstly we have to enter some details. So let us start with entering the username. Here the username is being entered. Now let's enter an email ID. Moving on to the next thing, now we are going to enter a password for the website, the account we are creating over here. And let's sign up. Now let's log in with the account that we have created. Let's enter the username over here and the password over here. Now let's log in. Yeah, here it says login successful. Thus we are successfully logged into the website. Now you can see the subject page where there are various subjects available of which you can attempt the quiz. Below this you can see the rules. You can read these rules and then you can attempt the quiz. So let's start with AOA. Now it tells us to select a level. So let us select let's say level. I'm selecting level 2. Here comes the question and you can easily enter, select the option and click on next. Once you have selected the answer, you can also see the previous button which can be used to go back into the previous question. Right now we are selecting the answer, then moving to the next. So select and next, select and next. At the top you can see the timer running, which is basically counting how much time are we taking to answer each question. The timer resets to 0 for every question, as you can see. And after submitting, here you can see the result in the form of a pie chart. You can see the score, which is 6 out of 10. Here you can see 3 buttons. Let's click on review. In the review button, when you click on the result analysis, here you can see the answers which are correct entered by you in the green, and the answer which you entered wrong can be seen in the red. It also shows the correct answer which user can see to understand what's his mistake. Below it you can see a bar chart where you can see the scores of correct and incorrect. Going back to the home page, again we see the various subjects and you can attempt any other quiz. Yes, these are the rules as I mentioned before. You can read them before attempting any quiz. Now let's log out. After logging out, we have also provided a quick quiz section for people who do not want to sign into the website. Here you can again play a quick quiz, answer the question, then go to the next question in a similar manner. Select next, select next. Here you can use the previous button to go back into the questions, change the question and again come back to the next question. And here is the exit button which you can use to exit the quiz. So now we exited the quiz. Going on to the about page, here we have 3 sections, namely who are we, our mission, our team. Yeah, you can read all this data which I have entered over here. Scrolling down, here we have our team members, namely Surya Narayan, the team leader, Harsh, the team member, Hemant, the team member, and lastly Gaurav, the team member. Below this, we have the social media links of our website, starting with LinkedIn. Here you can follow our website on LinkedIn. Here you can see the various posts answered by us. Going back to the website, here we have the GitHub link too, and this link we can get the entire source code of our website. Going again back to our website, we also have the Instagram page of our website. At this page you can see various posts uploaded on the Instagram by our page. Moving back, and lastly the Facebook, where you can see the official Facebook page for our website. Going back, again coming back to the home page, here we also have a contact page where we have the address of the college, a phone number, email. Same links are mentioned below as they were in the about us section. Going back to home, and yes, that's it for the website. Hope you liked it. Thanks for watching.